Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to read TradingView charts. First, let's dive into the basics of candlesticks. Each candle tells a story about price movement, showing open, high, low, and close prices within a specific time frame. Green candles typically indicate upward movement, while red ones show downward trends. Learning to interpret these patterns is fundamental for understanding market sentiment and making informed trading decisions. We'll cover how to quickly grasp what each candle signifies. Candlesticks are the core of chart analysis, visually representing price changes. A green candle means the closing price was higher than the opening price, while a red candle indicates the opposite. The wicks or shadows show the highest and lowest prices reached. You can adjust timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month, which significantly impacts your perspective. Shorter time frames are great for day trading, while longer ones help identify major trends. Understanding these elements is crucial for accurate analysis. Next, let's explore support and resistance levels, which are critical for identifying potential turning points. Support is a price level where a downtrend can pause due to demand, while resistance is where an uptrend might pause due to selling pressure. We'll also look at popular indicators like moving averages. These tools help confirm trends, identify momentum, and provide signals for entry or exit points. Combining these elements gives you a comprehensive view of market dynamics. Finally, let's talk about customizing your TradingView chart. You can change colors, add drawing tools, and apply various indicators to suit your trading style. Experiment with different layouts and settings to create an environment that enhances your analysis. Remember, the more comfortable you are with your chart setup, the more effective your trading will be. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.